Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat at narito pong muli ang Matinik at ang Musikero Channel sa pangunguna ng inyong abang lingkod upang magbahagi na naman ng kaalaman sa larangan ng matematika. Ang ating diskusyon sa sesyon na ito ay ating pag-uusapan ang circle. At ito ang part 1 ng ating session. Bilang panimula, ang ating pag-uusapan is the circle under ng analytic geometry subject. At syempre, ito ngayon ang ating mga objectives. At the end of the chapter, the students would be able to: number 1, draw a circle given different points. Pangalawa naman, determine center and radius of the circle given an equation. And then for the third one, determine general and standard form of equation of the circle given by different geometric conditions. Now, we also have the circle center at the origin. For the start of our session, the circle with center C00, ang 0 is the abscissa, yung unang 0 na nakasulat sa ating slide. And then, another 0 is for our ordinate, at yan ang coordinate ng center ng ating circle. And also the radius r as the equation of x square plus y square is equal to r square. At yan ang standard form ng ating circle kapag ang center nito, yung coordinates nito, parehong 0. This means any point x and y on the circle will give the radius squared when substituted into the circle equation. At syempre, ito ngayon ang ating graph para sa center at origin ng circle. First, we have to draw a vertical line for our y-axis and horizontal line for our x-axis. And then we're going to plot the point for the center of our circle. Center of the circle, dahil nasa origin, parehong 0 ang mga coordinates natin. The abscissa is 0 and the ordinate is also 0. And then we have also plotted the point na kung saan magpapass through ang ating circle. At ang mga coordinates nito are r and 0. R stands for the radius of the circle. At ang araw na yan ay ang ating radius of the circle. At syempre, ito na ngayon ang ating circle o ang tinatawag nating bilog. At yan ngayon ang sketch of the graph ng ating circles, center at the origin. To be followed by circle, center, not at the origin. The circle with center, H and K, H stands for abscissa and K for the ordinate, and radius R as the equation. The square of x minus h plus the square of y minus k is equal to r square. At yan ang formula na ating gagamitin na tinatawag nating standard form of the circle kapag ang center ng mga coordinates ng circle, h and k. This means any point x and y on the circle will give the radius square when substituted into the circle equation. At ito ngayon ang graph ng ating circles, center, not at the origin. First, we have to draw the y-axis and followed by x-axis. And then we're going to plot the center of our circle. Center, h and k. And that is the radius of our circle na kung saan kapag ating nirotate yan, kahit saang point, equidistant yan sa sentro ng ating bilog. At syempre yan na ngayon ang ating circle na ating nai-graph. At yan ngayon ang sketch of the graph ng ating circle, center, not at the origin. For our example number 1, we need to sketch the graph of the circle, x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. For our solution process, first determine the center and radius of the circle. The equation is in the form of x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Ang ibig sabihin niya ng center ng ating circle, automatically, parehong 0 ang mga coordinates nito. So the circle has center at the point 0 and 0 with the radius of r is equal to 2. Bakit r is equal to 2? Dahil ang nasa right hand side ng ating x squared plus y squared is equal to 4 is 4. At ang katapat nito sa ating formula is actually r squared. If r squared is equal to 4, definitely the radius of the circle is equal to 2 because r is equal to 2. And now let us proceed to the graph of our circle, the y-axis and the x-axis of our Cartesian coordinate system. And then we're going to plot the center of our circle na may coordinates na 0 and 0. And then also, we have plotted an additional point wherein nagpa-pass through ang ating circle. At ang mga coordinates yan, we have 2 and 0 dahil ang radius ng circle natin is equal to 2. Definitely, ang coordinates natin sa point na yan, we have 2 and 0. At yan naman ngayon ang ating radius na may sukat na 2 units. And yan finally ngayon ang ating sketch of the graph para sa ating example number 1. Let us now proceed to our example number 2. Sketch the graph of the circle, the square of x minus 2 plus the square of y minus 3 is equal to 16. And for our solution process, ito yung simula ng ating solusyon. Una sa lahat, ito ngayon ang ating gagamiting formula. Kasi ang equation natin is in the form of the square of x minus h plus the square of y minus k is equal to r squared. So circle is having its elements as a center at 2 and 3 and radius of r is equal to 4. By comparison, ang value ng ating h is equal to 2 at ang value naman ng ating k is equal to 3. Ang radius natin na r is equal to 4 dahil ang r squared is equal to 16. At ang square root ng 16 para mahanap natin ang value ng r is equal to 4. At ngayon naman ay nakahanda na tayong i-drawing o i-sketch ang graph ng ating circle. First and foremost, ito yung ating x-axis, followed by the y-axis. And then we're going to plot the center of our circle. We have 2 and 3. And center h and k yan. At yan naman ang ating radius. And then afterward, we're going to draw our circle. At ito ngayon ang ating final sketch of the graph. Na kung saan ang center ng ating bilog, 2 and 3, at ang radius nito is equal to 4. At yan ngayon ang ating sketch of the graph ng ating example number 2. Let us now proceed to the general form of the circle. An equation which can be written in the following form with constants D, E, and F represents a circle. Ito yung ating general form of the circle na formula na ating ginagamit. X squared plus y squared plus dx plus EY plus F is equal to 0. O kaya, pwede rin natin gamitin ng ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus EY plus F is equal to 0. This is called as the general form of the circle. Thank you. And God bless everyone. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig at panonood ng aming video. Mabuhay kayong mga kabataang Pilipino.